Oh, it's recording now. There you go. Just look. You ready?
I want to hurry though. Oh, okay, go, 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 go. Why are we better not fall. We better not fall. We better not fall.
You scared? What are they doing?
Let's go. You're going too far. We're supposed to go over there.
No, he said we can go like that straight, but if not, you want to go to the island?
Yeah.
But after we turn, okay, I'll go straight.
Okay, 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 okay. Go softly though.
Okay.
If we fall, I swear to God, I'm.
You can drive it after.
I think this turned off.
Huh?
I think it turned off.
No, it just turns off like that, the same battery. So the screen won't turn off, but the camera will.
You can't go a little bit faster?
It's because, okay, he said this thing is sensitive.
Don't flip it too much. Don't flip it too much. Okay, go like around. Now go. Go
That's
straight.
what you worry
Just
about.
go straight. Just go straight.
Hear my balance. Waves are going to be much harder because the boat just passed by. Let's go there and then we can turn.
For what?
Because we have to go that way and then turn.
He didn't say that.
He said we could, yeah. Because I mean, you have to go clockwise. For the island, you have to go clockwise.
That's why. If it had been easier, he would have just gone.
Hey man, grab on.
I can't if I'm grabbing the camera.
I feel like I could go faster, but I'm scared of this thing going over.
I want to do that. Not as fun as I expected it to be.
I know. It's because I'm scared. You want to try it?
Yeah, I want
Okay.
to. But how are we gonna get off? You think you're gonna be able to get off?
A little bit.
Do you want to just jump? Like if you jump, it's gonna flip. It's gonna flip. It's gonna flip.
Here, you want to... Okay, give me the
Or should I get off?
If you want, get off.
Yeah, I'll get off and then you'll get off.
Okay, so give me the camera. Where's my brother at though? They're over there. No? Okay, careful with the motor. Okay, I'll get off. I'll leave the GoPro right here on top of it, so.
Stop. You should have put it in the little phone basket. You think it's gonna be hard to get up?
Nah, not really. No?
I think it's gonna be
Go,
hard.
just go. Just hurry up. Just hurry up.
I think it's gonna
Just go, hurry up. Like I said, go straight. Go straight.
I am.
Yeah, because I don't like this. I don't like this one big. Put the camera and then I'm gonna get on right.
Don't flip it, please. Don't flip it. Don't flip it. Don't flip it.
Go. I'm trusting you.
Oh, no.
I'm trusting you. Go. Go.
I just press this one, right?
Yeah, just press the green. Hold it. And then you go. Oh, shit. Hey, man. Hey. If you do this, I'm gonna have to hug you. Don't, stop going in circles.
This was maybe a bad idea to let me try this.
Go to the island. Whoosh. Go. Yo, 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 yo. Get the boat, get it, because it's on. Here. Oh. Get on and turn it off. Turn it off. Hurry and turn it off. You want me to drive instead? Okay. Oh God. Hey, go.
I'm gonna just go straight that way.
Turn, yeah, go ahead, turn. Huh? A little bit. It's just I'm scared. I'm kind of scared because what I feel like you have to go fast without trying to move your hands so much. You just have to be. It's like driving a car. You just have to like get over the nerves. Go. 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Just go! Just go! Let go! Now try to hit it. Now try to hold it steady.
Oh my God! I literally tried right now.
Okay. Okay, go. Go for it. Go that way. That way. Yeah, that's what you have to do. You kind of lean with it. I know. Let's go.
Oh my God! Like guys.
Oh, that's the dude with like the standing one. I would try that, but like if I'm by myself, I would never do it with anybody. I got you. In case you feel like you're gonna tip over, I'll lean.
I need to hold this.
Yeah, hold it. Turn it off. Try not to do that too much because that's gonna fuck up the motor. Nah. No, actually, I think that might be the. It looks like a woman in the dude, and then there's like a little bit. Yeah, it's them. It's them. That's your mom.
They're doing it better than us.
Yeah. You want me to drive you to them?
No, I got it.
Okay, go then. Go. Look, they're going. Look at my brother. Oh, why are we leaning?
Because you're not holding your brake.
Okay, go. Look at my brother. He can do it so well. He's probably scaring your mom right now.
He's so good at it.
Huh?
He's so good at it.
I know. Okay, go. I trust you. Yeah, okay, actually, I'm just gonna grab onto this. You're good. You go. You're good. They're over there. So now just go straight here. Okay. Now go forward. Now you can go forward. Put it forward. Go put it forward. Yeah. So just yeah. There you go. Go. Send it. Look at the way they're driving.
No, I know she's scared.
Yeah. No, I literally saw her go like that. I was like, oh, I feel bad. You're like starting to turn way more. You're starting to turn away from them. Wait, they got off. I think they're switching.
No, I don't. I think they probably fail. No way they're sushi. Carla would not do it.
Go, send it, just 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 send it. Don't let go, don't let. Oh wait, let go, let go, let go. Okay, you want me to do it? Okay. Oh, I'm getting a cramp being like this. Okay. Because my leg is like this. Okay, hold on, I'm gonna move my leg. Go.
Hold up.